Hi there, everybody. It is Tristan here from Evolve EdTech, and welcome to a brand new video. Today, we've got a very special introductory video for you. We're going to go and explore a brand new tool which I have recently discovered called SchoolAI. This is a fantastic AI-driven tool that is going to help you immensely in the classroom. So in this very quick video today, I'm just going to introduce you to SchoolAI, and then over the coming days, we are going to share a whole range of new short videos with you so that you can start to become familiar with this tool. I love this tool so much that I am actually part of the SchoolAI Insiders program. So I am here to share this marvelous tool with you so that you can see how it can be a benefit to you and whether or not you can add it to your teacher EdTech toolkit. So at the moment, you can see over here on my screen that I'm currently on the Evolve EdTech website. So don't forget that we do have our Evolve EdTech website, evolveedtech.com. Here you will be able to access a whole range of resources, tips, tricks, and tools to help you with your EdTech journey. So please feel free to go and explore our website. All right, let's jump over to what we're talking about and exploring today, which is our new favorite tool, which is called SchoolAI. You may have in the past used a whole range of AI tools such as Magic School, etc. But SchoolAI is another fantastic alternative if you're looking for something that is a little bit of an alternative for you to explore. So you can see here on my screen that SchoolAI is the all-in-one AI platform for your classroom. It is designed for K-12 students with built-in monitoring and controls for teachers, which is fantastic. So this is actually a practical AI tool that you may be able to use with your students in your classroom today. So you can see here that it is free to access SchoolAI as a teacher, and I'll go and show that to you in a moment. All right, but if we scroll down, we will be able to just have a quick gander at some of the amazing features of SchoolAI. So we are going to be able to utilize that AI, that artificial intelligence that is now becoming part of our world as educators and people in general. And we're going to be able to incorporate it through a number of different ways in the classroom. So there is a whole heap that you can do with this tool, and I think it's something that may be beneficial to add to your teacher EdTech toolkit. All right, so very quickly, I'm going to head up and show you how easy it is to sign up to this amazing tool. At the moment, at the time of recording this, it is absolutely free for you to sign up and access SchoolAI. You can continue with Google if you'd like to use your Google email address, or you can use your own email address or even your phone if you would prefer to as well. It's really simple to sign up. All right, if we just head back to SchoolAI, another part of this wonderful tool is the tools section, and that is what we're going to focus on in the next couple of videos, is looking at how we can create amazing resources and activities for our students, as well as a whole range of different things that take up time for us to complete as teachers, but we are going to be able to do that really quickly with SchoolAI. So SchoolAI is a very simple, wonderful tool that you could be using in your classroom. And over the next few videos, we're going to dive in and investigate this tool and see how it could be beneficial to add to your EdTech toolkit. So stay tuned because we will have more videos exploring this wonderful tool coming up very soon so that we can really help you nut out this tool and decide if it's right for you. Anyway, that is just a quick introduction to SchoolAI. We'll dive into it in a much deeper capacity in a future video, so stay tuned for that. That will be coming up very soon. All right, don't forget that you can connect with us here at Evolve EdTech. We would love if you connected with us by heading over to our website. You can connect with us on our socials. We are on Facebook, we're on Instagram, we're on X, we're on TikTok, and we would love it if you head over to our YouTube channel and you liked and subscribed to the Evolve EdTech YouTube channel. By liking and subscribing, you are inspiring us to continue to create content to support you with your EdTech adventures. And we want to help you have fun with EdTech in the classroom. Anyway, that's it for this little video to introduce you to School AI. We'll dive into this deeper very soon, so make sure that you come back to check out what is happening from Evolve EdTech as we explore School AI. My name is Tristan. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will catch you again very soon.